Frank Robinson tiene una carrera decente en béisbol Grandes Ligas. Gana MVP, 2 viajes, bate 586 home run, participa 12 viajes de All-Star Game, 2 ranges de Serie Mundial y manager de año de Liga Americana. Pero el prospecto de Cincinnati, John Hart, a subir terreno de Spring Training, pasa banda de Robinson y nos acta quién está. Me espera explicar el prospecto. ¿Quién está Frank Robinson? Seguro, un beisbolista grande vez. El Club de Atletismo medalla de oro con crecimiento como mucho que tem atletismo.
Después, con algún día atrás, nosotros evento camina mucho chiquito de 3 y 4 años hasta competir. Interesa Atlanta de mucho para atletismo. Así por mira que el Club Medalla de Oro, que es parte de mucho chiquito, está completamente bien.
We've grown a lot with the kids. Every week we seem to get more and more. But the thing is, they love the sport. We have different activities. We have balwerpen, verspringen, hoogspringen, discus, kogelstoten. They start from young. And we had a race not too long ago. We had a little competition and it went very good. We nog sting prijsuitreiking. Niet keer dat je bijna van spera. Pero ik moet je naar gaan hoppy bom is.
¿Nanta entusiasma lo que vos estás haciendo?
Sí. Hopi mes. E just hopi mucho nos ting. Anto nos purba touch tour dinang di viaja, pero tim viaja ta dura un tiki mas, pero cu paciente nos ta llega sì.
O programa de treino tem uma variação?
Sí, we have different variation. Today we did a little bit more running. Last week we did a little bit krachttraining. We split the team sometimes in 3, in 2, so we have different, every coach does a different structure of training. So today I had all the kids, we did a little bit of long distance, we did a little bit of most running. Last week we had long jump, so we switch it up a lot.
And you like it? The way
They love it. They don't want to go home sometimes. But they love it. They have a lot of fun.
But it's a tough job with a lot of kids every time you come here in the stadium.
The thing is, most of the kids are now disciplined, so they listen well. I know it's a little, they try to play a little bit with each other when they're here, but at all they train. So, and we try to get them tired, so when they get tired, then they slow down a little bit, you know. So they have fun.
You're happy working with these kids?
Yeah, they're good.
You enjoy
No
it?
problems at all.
You enjoy it?
Yes, for sure.
Bom, esta mira que Rachel Mingo está gosta trando que muito não. E lo que tá bom com maior tá riba na for chiquito para assim mover chão, importante for chiquito para conseguir assim mover chão. Que tá bom para tu maior. Eu vou assim algo, la gran práctica pouco deporte.